It is I, Rami. I send love from all dimensions of God, as God is a multifaceted, multi-layered being. Part of what is transpiring now is a greater and deeper understanding of what exactly God is. This is a step in the right direction, finally. The superstition surrounding the angry and punishing God in the sky must be replaced with truth. Even the angriest, thought-obsessed human is part of God too, as is everything. Christ is modeling knowing this crucial fact and acting on it by letting go of the resistance, ideas, to it. The rest takes care of itself. Christ has arrived and is living in the material world in order to build a new one. This time, God, or the divine, is welcome on the earth and in the many lives of Christ. It's the gold standard. Christ does no harm and is helpful. Easy, right? Well, all of you can attest to the fact that this is anything but easy. It completely goes against the grain of the human world and the world of Christ. The house of truth, as it is also known, is not an island. To go back to the three-ringed Venn diagram again, the house of truth intersects with the human and natural worlds. It must do this until the world of the divine, the world of Christ, is fully self-sustaining. This means that each of you shop, conduct business, work at a job, and do hundreds of different things in the human world where humans absolutely believe they are human. Since we live amongst you now too, in unity and relationship, we have made many observations about each of your lives, the lives of Christ. The first conclusion we have come to is that none of you fit in or belong here. And the second conclusion is that no one knows what to think about you. This is good news. They are paying attention. With a magnificent love, Rami.